Hello everyone, we are from Group 7. Let's meet our team. My name is Hida and my teammates Anis, Sabbir, Sharier, Adnan and Jahidul. Graduate attributes or generic skills cannot be developed overnight. Students can enrich their generic skills by participating proactively in and out of classroom. Based on our survey, we have found the percentage of the students' participation. 4% of them is not often at all, 7% is not very often, 36% is often, and 28% is very often. From the survey, we also found the reason why students cannot join certain activities. This is due to time constraints, the course is not interesting, financial, transportation, academic matter, friends, and no awareness. To ensure that generic skills are systematically developed in UTM, the university has identified the following 7 graduate attributes and their respective generic skills, which consist of communication skills, thinking skills, scholarship, leadership and teamworking skills, adaptability, global citizen, and enterprising skills.
CTRM Industrial Visit 2022. CTRM company background. CTRM has been entrusted with a strategic role in the development of high-tech industries including aerospace and composite. Our main goal and responsibility is to lead the way in creating Malaysia's advanced composite industry by development. CTRM is now a member of the worldwide composite supply chain for the world's top commercial and military aircraft manufacturers. CTRM expanded its operation to include composite aircraft, interiors, aircraft seats, and transportation.
For activity background, students visit company and gain insight into the working environment of the company. The industrial visit also provides an opportunity to students on how company works and useful information regarding the practical aspect of the course. It also helps students to prepare for the real industrial training program, which can enhance students' knowledge and abilities for a career in their particular profession and to close the gap between education and industrial practices. The primary goal of this industrial visit is to apply our theoretical knowledge in a real working environment. There are also some additional goals and objectives, which are students will expose to real application of industry, students can gain knowledge and see working department in their actual configuration, students will have a better understanding of what practical elements of component are in the working area, to become familiar with the various roles that different people in an organization, to become aware of the potential career path, to recognize the importance of workplace healthy and safety, and students can concentrate on specific aspects of their studies.
Our target participants are UTM undergraduate and postgraduate students of mechanical and aeronautics engineering. And the invited guests will be our honorable lecturers from School of Mechanical Engineering. Lecturers will observe the event and provide constructive criticism, and they will understand how the educational quality is enhancing overall for the students. Activity schedule is shown as follows. The date of online registration is 23rd of June 2022. Attendance will be taken in the bus on 30th June 6 o'clock in the morning. Breakfast will be distributed at 6:30 am. Then speech will be given by the supervisor at 9:15 am. After that, we will start visit the industry and meet the manager of the industry at 11:15 am. There will be a lunch break between 12 am to 1 pm. After the lunch, we will meet the employees of the industry at 1:30 pm. Then, final speech will be given by the manager and lecturers at 2:15 pm. There will be a quiz giving ceremony at 3:15 pm. And finally, after end of the session, we will return back to UTM at 5 pm.
Let's talk about financial statement. For renting one UTM bus, we need to pay 550 ringgit. In the food and beverages sector, we have divided into 2 parts, bread and water. For bread, we need 50 ringgit. For water, we need 60 ringgit. We have arranged appreciation quiz for manager and the supervisor of the company, which would cost us 80 ringgit, that's 40 ringgit each quest. And finally, the certificate for participation of the students we need to pay 250 ringgit. So, the grand total stands at 990 ringgit. Monitoring and evaluation. Participants are required to be present at the designated bus stop on time. The organizing team will be in charge of handling the students' crowd and managing the flow of event. Participants are required to stay on industry site during the time of visit. The invited lecturers will explain the mechanism of the machinery at the factory along with the assigned supervisor of the company to the students. The participants will express their questions/curiosity during the Q&A session after the manager's speech.
Okay, now let us go through and understand the importance of this industrial visit. Firstly, students will gain valuable insight on how employees work in a team and think to achieve their goals. Secondly, students will understand how employees adapt in a different working condition and why adaptability skills are important to succeed in future life. Thirdly, students will gain knowledge about the technology the industry uses and how the industrial revolution changes technology over time, which will help the students to understand the importance of improving enterprising skills such as digital literacy, creativity, etc. So to summarize, students will enhance teamwork and leadership skills, adaptability skills, communication skills, and enterprising skills. Lastly, to conclude, our main objective is to improve the graduate activities of students through this industrial visit, which exposes students into practical life, how things work in industry, how to work in a team, and what we think of about. Students will know the importance of skills such as communication, adaptability, thinking, enterprising, leadership, and teamwork skills. Overall, this event will help students to improve their skills and definitely help UTM to response to students and graduate